The questions involve situations where one event happened before another in the past. Had you eaten before the movie started?
Yes, I had eaten dinner already.
Had she left when you arrived?
Yes, she had just left.
Had they finished the work before the deadline?
Yes, they had finished it early.
Had he gone home before the rain started?
Yes, he had gone home safely.
Had you studied for the test?
Yes, I had studied a lot.
Had the train left when you reached the station?
Yes, it had already left.
Had you met her before the party?
Yes, I had met her once before.
Had he called you before you left?
No, he hadn't called me.
Had they cleaned the room before the guests came?
Yes, they had cleaned everything.
Had you finished your homework before dinner?
Yes, I had done it all.
Had you visited the museum before yesterday?
Yes, I had gone last week.
Had she cooked dinner before they arrived?
Yes, she had finished cooking.
Had you seen that movie before?
No, I hadn't seen it.
Had the dog eaten the food before you came?
Yes, it had eaten everything.
Had they left the house early?
Yes, they had left at 7 a.m.
Had it rained before you reached the park?
Yes, it had rained heavily.
Had you taken a bath before breakfast?
Yes, I had taken it early.
Had you finished reading the book?
Yes, I had read the whole book.
Had she done her homework?
Yes, she had completed it.
Had he watched the match?
Yes, he had watched it live.
Had you brushed your teeth before school?
Yes, I had brushed them.
Had your mom prepared breakfast before you woke up?
Yes, she had made everything.
Had you packed your bag before going to bed?
Yes, I had packed it last night.
Had they gone shopping before lunch?
Yes, they had gone early.
Had you heard the news before today?
No, I hadn't heard it.
Had she cleaned the kitchen before guests came?
Yes, she had cleaned it well.
Had he watered the plants before leaving?
Yes, he had done it.
Had you made your bed before school?
Yes, I had made it.
Had the kids done their chores?
Yes, they had finished everything.
Had you closed the windows before the storm?
Yes, I had shut them all.
Had you done your project before the deadline?
Yes, I had submitted it early.
Had the teacher corrected the papers?
Yes, she had corrected them.
Had you missed any class?
No, I hadn't missed any.
Had he forgotten his homework?
Yes, he had left it at home.
Had you printed the report?
Yes, I had printed it.
Had she written the essay?
Yes, she had written it well.
Had the students prepared for the test?
Yes, they had all studied.
Had the boss arrived before you?
Yes, he had arrived early.
Had you replied to the email?
Yes, I had sent a reply.
Had you spoken to your teacher?
Yes, I had talked to her.
Had you booked the tickets?
Yes, I had booked them online.
Had they packed their bags?
Yes, they had packed everything.
Had the plane already taken off?
Yes, it had taken off.
Had you checked the weather before leaving?
Yes, I had checked it.
Had she seen snow before last year?
No, she hadn't seen snow.
Had you stayed in a hotel before?
Yes, I had stayed in one.
Had they reached the airport on time?
Yes, they had reached early.
Had you visited the Eiffel Tower before?
Yes, I had seen it in 2018.
Had she visited her grandma last week?
Yes, she had gone there.
Had you ever eaten sushi before?
Yes, I had tried it once.
Had they gone to the new restaurant?
Yes, they had gone on Sunday.